ADB's Procurement, Portfolio, and Financial Management Department or PPFD is happy to introduce to you the Procurement Statistics Dashboard or ProcDash. It is accessible in Work with Us of the ADB main page. Choose Operational Procurement and you will be brought to the Operational Procurement landing page. On this page, click on Procurement Statistics and you will be welcomed by the introductory information about the dashboard. ProcDash is also accessible by typing ProcDash in any search engine. ProcDash presents the value of all goods, works, and consulting services contracts for projects under the Asian Development Bank operations. This means that ProcDash does not cover institutional procurement for ADB's daily operations. For purposes of this dashboard, the value of operational procurement is reported in terms of the amount financed by ADB in US dollars. ProcDash is updated on a monthly basis and right now, it is showing the end of July 2025 snapshot. Now that you know how to access ProcDash, the next question is: as a participant in this 2025 Business Opportunities Fair, what is there for you to learn about ADB's procurement dashboard? ProcDash can help you identify procurement trends and opportunities in ADB. Second, strategize positioning for future bids. And third, enhance networking and collaboration. ProcDash has 5 sections which you can use to identify procurement trends and opportunities in ADB. The Overview tab. By nationality. By origin of goods and services. By threshold. The last tab is a tabular presentation of shares in ADB procurement of each member. Each of the sections has filters to enable you to slice further the data presented in the charts. You can choose the year covered by the figures, the product type like loans, grants, or TAs that finance the contracts, the sector of the project, nationality of contractor, region where the project is located, and the borrowing member. In the Overview tab of ProcDash, you are informed at which region ADB has the biggest contract awards. If we choose Cumulative in the Year filter, we can see that ADB has awarded a total of $195 billion of goods, works, and consulting contracts for its projects across Asia and the Pacific. The biggest being in South Asia at $68 billion, followed by Southeast and Central West with $47 billion and $38 billion respectively. ProcDash also gives you the nature of procurement with the biggest amount awarded, which, expectedly, would be the works contracts at $122 billion as of end July 2025. You can also spot the high-value sectors with the most frequent procurement as indicated by the value of awards. Cumulatively, ADB has awarded a total of $77 billion for projects in the transport sector, followed by energy with $39 billion, water with $24 billion, and agriculture with around $24 billion. To identify at which sectors you can work in a particular country, choose a borrowing member in the borrowing filter. For instance, if Philippines is chosen, for the year 2025. It will show that the Philippines is awarding contracts largely in the transport sector. In the last 5 years including 2025, the same trend is observed. 75% of its contracts are for construction activities. Lastly, in this tab, you can identify which among the borrowing members of ADB had the biggest business opportunities by looking at how much each member has awarded cumulatively or in the most recent years. As of July 31, 2025, India and PRC have cumulatively awarded the biggest contract awards. Moreover, the nationality filter will let you know at which countries your company is getting the biggest contracts. For example, if you choose Italy in the nationality for the year 2025, it will show that companies incorporated in Italy has been awarded a total of $7.5 million for Kirkus projects. If we choose cumulative in the year filter, it shows that Italy has been awarded a total of $313 million for Pakistan projects. It also obtained large contracts in Nepal, People's Republic of China, Philippines, and Kazakhstan. ProcDash can also provide you with information on which among the ADB members have been awarded the largest value of contracts. In the By Nationality tab, it will show you which among the ADB members got the most business on ADB projects. In 2025, for example, it shows that PRC, India, Philippines, Thailand, Korea, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Cambodia, and Turkey were the top 10 ADB members who got the largest contracts in 2025. Cumulatively, the PRC, India, Indonesia, Korea, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Philippines, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, and Japan garnered the biggest share in ADB procurement. By understanding the trends, location, nature of procurement in ADB, you can align your business development strategies with ADB's priorities. Lastly, ProcDash can help you in enhancing networking and collaboration. By using the data download facility, you will be able to see the list of potential partners by identifying which firms or contractors are active in certain regions or sectors in the list of contracts awarded. At the bottom left of each tab, you will see the Download Dataset button. If you click this, you will be brought to the data and resources related to the dashboard. Click on Procurement by Nationality.xlsx, and an Excel file will be downloaded. When you open the file, you will be given the list of all contracts awarded in the last 10 years with each of the contract records showing the contractor name, location and title of the project, nationality of the contractor, nature of procurement, sector of the project, among others. ProcDash is easy to navigate. To further aid you in navigating ProcDash, we have provided an FAQ that also contains instructions on how to download the charts, tables and the contract record level data. This is also shown in the data and resources and is downloadable for easy reference. Thank you, and we hope you will make use of this resource in planning for your future engagement with ADB. If you need further assistance in navigating ProcDash, feel free to contact Sevil Mahurmova and Marissa Barcenas.